Change flight frequency 124.1. American 3153, Golf 8, cross point left, 10 to ground 25.
Cleared across 18 left to Golf 3 and Golf 8, I'm sorry, I'll be ground about the 31, negative.
32.45, next flight negative. Left to Golf 8, contact ground 25 and on.
Echo 3, cross runway 18 left Golf 8 and ground 25 went on, up to with it, 649.
Delta 803, turn left again. Runway 18 left, change to my frequency.
Runway 3649 on the visual approach runway 18 right.
Runway 3649, to the tower with 2308, runway 18 right, clear to land.
Runway 18 right, clear to land, runway 3649.
7 November Golf, Pacific Tower, wind 230 at 11, gust 26. 1672, contact plus today. Bravo for crossing traffic with 250 at 8. Clear land waiting right for the Bravo, American. November 228, Kilo Sierra, near Pacific Tower low, constant wake turbulence, you're 8 miles and trail the heavy 777, wind 260 at 10, runway 13 right, split left. Wait left up and thank you. Envoy 3696, keep Pacific Tower, wait left power point.
Right left, wait Envoy 3696. Just let's ship over 3613. We're going to keep the gear down for 7 minutes. So when we climb out north departure now, we're going to be kind of restricted in on speed 240.
Okay, I'll let them know. Appreciate it. American 71 Heavy, what terminal? Bravo, American 26 Runway 44. Landing traffic on Ultra intersection at Alpha Cross on the right, hold short of 13613, we're going to be parked on way left, so take us. We're going to be parked at Discover 9, 1 left on 3613, 13986, American 1830 Whiskey, Lima Cross 20 left, contact ground 25 other side, request your call center, please. American 1830 Cross 20 left,
76 miles across the over the bridge, 65 across
November 7, November Golf, continue down the runway, take the 4 high speed, taxi via Bravo, Charlie, Zulu, hold short of runway 18 right.
I will continue down to the high speed, Bravo, Charlie, Zulu, hold short 18 right, November Golf.
Yeah, just remain the street.
Okay, 3986, turn up the layer, and only 1 left. Return 1 left, runway traffic will have to runway runway. Line up 1 left, Delta 2192. Left clear for takeoff on 120.
American 1972, Whiskey Mike, cross 118 left, country ground 25, traffic holds.
Okay, cross 18 left at Whiskey Mike, ground number 2 at American 1972.
Zulu cross 18 left, contact ground 0.85.
Zulu cross 18 left and ground 25, November Golf.
Left 55, 20 left line, boys. 20 left line, white, right, left 55.
Heavy heavyweight right here. Right, 2 heading to a taxiway. Bravo, hold short, 1A right. Right, 2 heavy, hold short of runway 1A right. Give me 676 to heavy taxiway Zulu, cross 1A left, hold short 1A right.
Cross 1A left, hold short 1A right.
Quad 21 heavy at Whiskey Lima, cross 1A left, contact ground 185.
We can land across runway 1 isolate, 185, make 1 at 20 on hit.
Tower American 1440 with you on the visual 18 right. Sorry, 1440 Tower 18 right, cleared lane with 250 at 11, hold for taxiway Bravo for ground traffic.
18 right to land, holding short of Bravo.
American 2997 on F2B Park 1A left, clear takeoff. Park 1A left, clear takeoff. American 1938 Tower 1A left, line of void.
1A left, line of void, American 1938.
Country 8726, taxi via Echo and Whiskey.
Traffic south.
Short, taxi via Echo and Whiskey Lima, hold short 1A left. Echo Whiskey Lima, hold short 1A left, country 8726. American 1938 RNAV to B Park 1A left, please take off.
RNAV B Park 1A left, please take off, American 1938.
American 2997, counterpart today.
American 3105, counterpart today. Park 2. American 31060 is Pacific Tower 1A left, line of void, caution wait for the party 767. Left away, 1A left, 3106. hold short 1 right, American Local 913. You get to the Victor the credit card park, you all the parking, yes, 52, nothing, 10. Runway 3363 on at 2 land, 18 left, clear takeoff. Start at land, 18 left, clear takeoff, off 130. 3 time, 18 left, on 1 left. That's 497 recon park, getting. It's 49067, yard out to City Park, 1 left, intersecting gate, clear for takeoff. You can have plan of the City, RNAV, City Park, runway 18 left, Okay, 6252, time park, getting. American 2311 with the individual 18 right. American 2311 star 18 right, clear to land, wind 210 at 14. 2353 tower 18 right, clear land, wind 230 at 10, gust 1 foot. 18 right, good line, back to 2353. Echo Alpha, hold short 1 left. Echo Alpha, hold short 1 left. American 20 left, line, please. Microwave 1 left. American 20 heavy on at 2 P-Part 1 left, clear for takeoff. Of runway 18 left. What's your runway 18 left? left, whiskey, Foxtrot, line on them, wait, standard 3.
Yeah, 578 at Alpha, cross, 20 left, ground, 185. 20 left at Alpha, either 578, contact ground, 25. Yeah, 578, disregard the 50 ground, 65 on top of the Alpha bridge. 65 on top of the bridge, yeah, 530. Alright, 2363 at Whiskey, Lima, cross, 20 left, contact ground, actually, like the approximate Alpha, ground, 0.65 on the Alpha bridge. 180 left, good cross, Whiskey, Lima, alongside Alpha, 0.65 on top of the bridge, right at 2363, good afternoon. 120 heavy car park unit.
Go to departure message.
November Golf, CSW Tail, 18 left, line of wind, crossing traffic.
Line of wind, 18 left, November Golf.
I'm not sure what to do any crossroads.
Well, coordinate runway 18 left now, we got
the right 180 left, the Whiskey Golf, and hold short 180 left.
Copy that, 180, also 180 left, Whiskey Golf, 3.
Park 18 left, clear for takeoff.
On FP Park, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, 693.
Alright, 2720, Whiskey Kilo, hold short 18 left. Hold short 18 left,